The Shaman0 Electric Dirt Bike by DEEPOWER boasts a powerful 1,500-watt peak motor, providing an exhilarating ride with the ability to conquer steep inclines and reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour. Equipped with a robust 48-volt, 35-ampere-hour battery, this electric bike offers an impressive range of up to 105 miles with pedal assist and 75 miles on pure electric mode. Designed for all terrains, the Shaman0 features wide 20-inch puncture-proof tires and dual mechanical disc brakes, ensuring stability and safety, whether on city streets or off-road trails. Constructed with a durable carbon steel frame, this bike combines classic aesthetics with modern durability, enhanced by a high-performance rear suspension and a high-density non-slip seat for ultimate comfort. The Shaman0 Electric Dirt Bike comes mostly pre-assembled, and DEEPOWER provides a 12-month warranty, underscoring their commitment to customer satisfaction and product reliability. This electric bike's thoughtful design includes a removable battery with an anti-theft feature and a quick charging time of 4 to 6 hours, making it perfect for both commuting and weekend adventures.